What's up, YouTubers? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So MEE Audio have sent me out the new 2018 M6 in-ear sport earphones with memory wire for review. So we're going to unpackage this and see what it's all about. So get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric again with another video. So MEE Audio has sent me out the M6, the 2018 version, which is the newer version of the M6 headphones. So we're going to unbox this and see what it's all about. So we got a nice presentation here. All right, the accessory that comes in a box, you got a carrying case, you got ear tips, and you have a clip. All right, so nice presentation. Let's take it out of the box. Ooh, this is nice. Ooh, this is nice. Transparency. Man, that's nice. All right, so I like the way they got it packaged. All right, you got the earphones. All right, want the memory wire, and we're going to talk about that. And it comes in a little carrying case. All right, MEE, which is nice. When you take it out of the package, you got the earphones, also with a RQ code for video to watch, but you're watching my video, so no big deal. All right, you have your tips. Come with a lot of tips in here. Woo, that's a good look. All right, let's put this aside and see what we get. All right, look at that. Woo, this is nice. All right, so we got that new design, good transparency look here. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. Got the tips. Got that nice, pretty braided cable, silver cable here. Man, look at that. That's pretty. So let's take a few minutes and let's look at these earphones right now. All right, so as you can see, the earphones is nice. All right, that is nice, and it has the memory wire, but you put them in your ear, you cuff it over. That is nice. So let's go out to the park and let me show you guys how these work, and let me give you a full review on how they sound and how they fit in my ear right now. So check this out. All right, guys, so I'm out here at the park. I'm about to do my daily exercise early in the morning, and I got the M6 Pros here. First thing I want to tell you about these headphones is that they are transparent. They are absolutely gorgeous. I like this. So there's two ways to put these in, and it's my first time doing this. So the way to put them in, it is pretty neat. You got right, you have left here. You kind of stretch out the cord a little bit because it fits to the inner part of your ear as you stretch it and turn it. So you really have to put it flush in the ear. So kind of show you guys the way I'm putting it here. All right, kind of flush in the ear, and then you kind of stretch it and wrap it around your ear. All right, and once you wrap it around your ear, you kind of pull it a little bit, and there it is. All right, as you can see, I got the right ear in, and it kind of wrap around, and it's really lightweight. It's not coming out, and putting the left one in is basically repeating the same way. I have the left and I have the right. All right, so I'm good to go here as far as using these. Now we want to get a phone, and I got my iPhone 10. Shout out to the dongle, and I'm about to do my exercise. I'm going to let you guys know what I think about the sound quality of the headphones, so stay tuned. All right, so I'm walking and I'm doing my daily exercising, and I got the headphones in, the M6 Pros, and I'm listening to some music as I walk on my trail. And one thing I can tell you is that the sound quality is really good as I walk. Also, it's very lightweight. It's not going to come out of your ears, which is great. And I do love the attachment that you have in the front, so you don't have no problems that the cord is dangling all over the place. Now, I do recommend that if you're going to use it, put it inside your shirt. But as I'm walking the trail, no problems at all with the MEE 6 in my ear. Now, the sound quality, I'm getting a lot of good highs and mids. The bass sounds okay. Not real punchy, but it's average, but it's overall is okay. It's very good for doing exercising if you want to get some work done and get some exercise done. So I'm doing my morning routine. It's kind of overcast out, and having the MEE 6s in, it's very good. Listen to some music. Whew. So I just finished my exercise, and let me give you guys my review on the sound quality that I just finished. Listened to a few songs as I did my routine exercise. Let me give you guys my review on these headphones. First of all, I like it. It's really lightweight. You really can't tell that you have headphones on. That's one thing. The second thing is that the sound quality is okay. You got good highs, good mids. The bass is okay. Not the deepest bass, not a lot of bass, but you got pretty balanced sound, which is great. So the sound quality that's coming out of these headphones is nice, and you could do a lot of stuff and it will not come out of your ear. I like the security that's in the ear, so you won't have any problems with these headphones coming out of your ear. You could do many exercises. Now you can put them in the front, and you could also put this cord in the back. This headphone does not have volume control on it, so you're definitely going to have issues with that. You got to pull out your phone every time you have to adjust your volume. As you can see that I'm very impressed with the headphones so far, using it at the park. You can pick these headphones up right now on the MEE website. I will leave all the links in the description. Also, if it's available on Amazon, I will also leave that link in the description. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the M6 Sport in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.